Are you having trouble fueling your high horsepower Shelby GT500? Whether you're racing or simply need more fuel, we have you covered. What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from here at Snow Performance, and these are the nicest GT500 fuel hat assemblies on the market. Our fuel hats are designed, engineered, CNC machined, and built right here in the USA from 6061 billet aluminum. These billet hats are anodized in black for the ultimate in durability and corrosion resistance, making them compatible with E85 and other harsh fuels.
Our multi-pump fuel hat truly stands apart from the rest. The fuel pumps are attached directly to the manifold, which means that there are zero failure-prone lines or hose clamps that can crack or split open and cause fuel to leak. And if you remove the top of the hat, inside you'll find our integrated fuel passageways that are CNC machined directly into the hat. All three of these holes meet up and combine here at the top before exiting the multi-pump fuel hat.
The CNC machine bodies include Viton chemical resistant O-rings that guarantee a perfect leak-free fit. Snow fuel hats completely replace your factory fuel hat or bucket for an easy installation while retaining the factory tank features. We sell our fuel hats without the return and feed fittings so that you can get exactly what you need to feed your system. Depending on your vehicle's fuel demands, Snow Performance offers a variety of multiple pump configurations that come in a combination of 2 or 3 pumps for the highest possible flow. Forget worrying about knockoff pumps here with guaranteed OE reliability with our utilization of TI Automotive, better known as Walbro fuel pumps, and flow rates of 450 liters per hour or 470 liters per hour. Another great aspect of our triple pump fuel hats is our brand new 9-inch fuel filter. Most fuel hats utilize 3 separate filters, and if fuel is sloshing around, some pumps may get starved. Our 9-inch fuel filter connects to all 3 pumps and only needs part of it to be submerged in fuel for it to feed all 3 pumps. These truly are the best fuel hats on the market. For more information, you can visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.